Hey guys, so today's video is about Half-Life 2 on Android. So there's been a port that came out around December for the Nvidia Shield version of Half-Life 2 to run on virtually any version of Android. So I'm running it on a Poco F3 and I've got a GameSir X2 controller connected up. Luckily, whoever coded it must have done a pretty decent job, or I'm just lucky, or we're lucky, and the Nvidia Shield controls just get automatically detected. Because I've been able to play Half-Life 2 on the Poco F3 running pretty much flawlessly, apart from some odd textures not loading. Like here, as you see, the shadows are just not quite right. But I do find it pretty darn cool how they've managed to compress down what was, I think, about a 20 gig game down to about a 2 gig game, while still retaining virtually the majority of the game itself. There are weird little issues like underwater, how it just seems like the movement's not quite right, and also the reflections certainly aren't there, or at least my memory serves that they were a lot better than what they are here. Overall gameplay with the GameSir has been pretty darn good. Can't really fault that at all. The biggest thing that I've noticed is just really dark textures, where you get up some and it's just completely black, you shine a torch on it and you can see it just fine. But this has definitely been one way that I've been definitely re-enjoying Half-Life 2 again, as I haven't played it for over a decade now. But I've been seeing stuff where this has been running on essentially like Samsung Galaxy J1 phones from 2017, so it must pretty much be able to play on almost anything nowadays, which is pretty darn awesome. So if you haven't checked out Half-Life 2 before and want to see what it's about, this very well may be the way to do it. Granted, it's not full screen in your face, but there are some boring points in the game, kind of like what I'm doing here. It's not exactly that interesting. So having a movie playing in the background, or just your binge show playing, it's definitely one way to pass the time. Anyway, that's all for today. I thought this was interesting, I enjoyed it, and I'm going to keep playing for a bit. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.